Nevi London giring Olang Jakobni Janak tang Hong Kong ga mamang pi chapchu shi tang lihka zaisa lobjung shesa chiga ni kachin takirwe pare.
Australia
Janak ni
is
chapchu tu yongkin
extremely
fenchung
beautiful
yi Olang
multicultural
Jakobni hachang
democracy.
zidig dan la argni namang zombi mangzu Jakob chigre che dangjok shindig. Gegin chemo fenchung yi tarta Olang ga Sydney tsanchil hobchinta nyamshib pi shagli nangjin batang ki Olang Jakobni hirig lobnyala rangang dambi lhayi tawar ninzin shindig. Korang lona zhonti te tirib nyekhibi lorib jachin nangta amangzu la yi chi tang arewa shankin shig yinayang chigtung gubja jachi kyarga galur konggi ngi
The
se Beijing
1980s
Tiananmen
generation
tongchinta
like me
ajazhungi
will
amaglang
grow
ngani
up to
thomi
believe
mangzu
in
lingila chaganun
democracy.
shejimba thongyungwa tang korang tarta Olang ta yongdun ajanag zhonglan jigni tishu ta yongyan chi shandu.
I came here to escape China.
Zhen Abdu Gafur tumbu pi wamen de yang rangang ge chet janag ni khate te tarta Olang Jakob tu yu chang kumu chi na janag ki tarta Xinjiang tumbu jimbe kharta kas thani yin la
I saw
yindra jazung gi yikra wa
could
tsiwi
be
khachi tong
forever a
margala
slave.
narchu tsame tong yu chang ani tang te tawi ota kumu janag ta dana matsi kangwur tanyok tawi tsuwa chetan jig par thongwi morang janag tang khate wa
my
yin
father
sir
was also taken to the camp.
Jechin
My
mi
brother was
tok tang
taken to the
tonyo
camp.
shankin ga
That's
tsokpa
why I
tak
started
shena
actually
tanga
thinking
yikkarwa
very,
saya
very
chigil
seriously.
janak zungi sabjong sha sar tak bi gnyar khang ta chiyo pa tang Abdu Gafur ki kumu pargin gnyar khang ga nang ta chigni dekar detong sa shimba tang mu phoyang gnyar khang ga nang ta chiyo pa shandu
My father was also taken to the camp. My brother was taken to the camp.
tarta janak ni yong yi chapchu wa bim chig tang cha nga lha Olang Jakob ta ni du
Because
shi pa tang
they do have
dana
very
yi
strong
tang jakar ga
leverage.
thila Olang ta yong kun
Leverage.
matang
Their
mang
family
hi angaram
members still in
simbara
China.
kiri pare
They are
Tangkan
scared.
di kongsa Olang ta nidu shenjimbi Taiwan tang Hong Kong gama tseme la kochu ti gama mangpo shiki ari longchen kangni chandra tanglin shagir zemtok tang jikchak chenpo shejimba tang ti jimtsen na kochu kima mangpo shik tatong janak tayo pa tang janak zhongi kochu kima tagla nui kebar tokpi non khik kogo ta kochu jikchak shakindik chikyang
They do have
fenchong
very
yin
strong
reshi shindu.
leverage. Their family members still in China. They are scared.
Lu jimi da sambani zong Olang Jakob ki Hong Kong a namla Jakob ndar tandu shi chukpi top tang choy chirwe pa tang. Deyang jazung gi Hong Kong ta Jakob denjik kachim chewa lakhtar shi ji Olang gi Hong Kong waramgni kilin shiwi charja shigre la. Cham dala tani Hong Kong we marjo rangang la qagdum shindig chi ajahchi chukde mangpi janag la kyunju shajin yu nayang janag ki cham ti mamang la songkyub shaki yu chi ngilin shaki ma pare. Te tang te tawi janak tsanung gasha chogta gergin chemo fenchong yi tang yikar wewe me Abdu Gafur so janak tsanung gota charwi me mangpo shi rangang gachata Olang Jakob tal hebi pare.